So hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to use Claude AI 3.5, and all you have to do is to search for that application. For me, I'm going to sign in with Google, or if I do have an account with the Claude 3.5 Sonnet, I'm just going to continue with Google. And when I'm going to choose my number, I'm going to type it into my name, going to acknowledge it. So I'm going to begin using the Claude 3.5 AI Sonnet. So for this one, we can start by using the Claude for many examples, like creating a cup. As you can see, it did give us an example on how to create a cup. Now from here, you can decide to either upgrade it to subscribe to Pro, in which you're going to be able to design a lot of stuffs, like designing a website, a logo, a game, and even analyze images once you have subscribed to Pro. And once we tap on it, you're going to see the Pro plan that they have given unto you. Like they've said that they are going to charge you $20 per month plus the tax. Once you tap on it, you're going to be able to receive or to use its features. Remember that Claude 3.5 AI Sonnet is an advanced AI that looks like the Chat GPT. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.